Hey guys, welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today I want to apologize to my subscribers and viewers. I've been on, I would say, vacation. Well, not really. I've had some family situation where I had a little baby, had to take care of him. You know, fatherhood was around the corner, and I decided to put that as my top priority while focusing on some of my stock trading on the side. Unfortunately, was not able to keep up with all my videos. I am back and better than ever. I have created a lot of programs. I've created a lot of video topics on the sidelines that I want to pump out for you guys, like showing you guys how to use Webull properly, how to use Robinhood properly, telling you guys my philosophy on the stock market and how I've been able to make money. And hopefully, you know, if you like my philosophy, my way of maneuvering around the markets, hey, maybe you would like to learn more and use some of my systems and processes in order to predict where I see stocks going. As you guys have seen the history of my channel, I've been pretty spot on some stocks, but today I am making, as my comeback video, I am just going to be updating you guys on my $100,000 investment in EV stocks. As you guys know, early June was where EVs were taking off, and since then, basically the whole stock market as a whole has been taking off. Just in the last week, SPY, the S&P 500 has been breaking records, going up and up. So how have our EV stocks been participating in this rally? Well, let's take a look. And remember, I am doing paper trading because EV stocks for me were very speculative, but I did want to follow them and see where we would end up and with how my predictions would turn out after a whole month. I want to review with you guys that I believed in 1 month, which I am so upset. Like, honestly, I am so upset because I trade a lot of options now, and I know if I would have been putting Tesla calls, I would have made some good money. I predicted that in 1 month Tesla would be at $1,800. Today Tesla is at $2,211. Wow. And I said it was going to be my number 1% gains on this series, on this challenge, and we will find out if that is true or not. Number 2, Workhorse, I predicted it would be around $15. SHLL, I said it would be at $19. SHLL took me out of the ballpark. It obviously had some great updates, some great news throughout this month, and it was, as of 2 days ago, it was at $40, but today, as of recording, it's at $38. Amazing. Like, SHLL, wow, it blew me away. Now NIO was one that I wasn't so confident in, but when I was following it, and I will share with you guys, I should have made update videos, but again, I'm so sorry, I was busy, but I'm back. I would have been able to tell you guys that NIO was gonna pop, and it did, and that's why NIO was a great contender in this challenge, in this series, made us a lot of money in our paper trading account, and our last and loser, which I predicted at $2.50, which I thought it would be in a month. It's actually at $2.81. So I'm a little bit off, but I'm close, you know, almost close. Where are we now with our $100,000? We are up $35,000 for a total gain of 35%. Our biggest winner from this series, from this challenge, is SHLL, because it almost doubled. Well, it did double 2 days ago, only as of recording it went down $2, so we made a 90% profit after a month or so. So SHLL came out number 1. I thought Tesla was going to be our number 1 at $1,800, but SHLL, in percentage change, was able to overtake Tesla because it basically doubled. We bought it at an average price of $20.06, and it came out to be $38.15 today. But like I said, I was just so amazed when I saw it was actually at $40. So SHLL is our biggest winner today, made us $18,000. In second place, we have NIO, and once again, I have made pretty bad videos about NIO. This is one stock that I have been completely wrong and arrogant about, but I admit my mistake. NIO has shut me down, but as you can see, let me show you guys a chart of what I was actually seeing in NIO, where I actually started seeing, oh, it's gonna pop off. Like, damn, it was actually getting a lot of concentration in the stock, a lot of movement. It was ready to pop. We have a huge wedge for so many days right here. This wedge, we're looking at the 4-hour mark, but let's look at the dailies. and look at this huge wedge. After I started seeing this wedge, I was like, it's gonna pop, but I did not position myself to make good money. I could have got some options right here and made a boatload, but you know, as in our challenge, it actually, because we invested $20,000 in it, paper money once again, we were able to come out with a $9,976 profit, being our second place winner with a P&L percentage of 51%. And in third place we have Tesla, which I was hoping would be first place, but it's okay. I'm amazed at just at its stock price by itself, 2200 with $9, 46% change. Crazy stuff. Honestly, when I saw that Tesla in real time past $1,000, I was like, oh my gosh, 1,000, like that's a lot. But now for it to be $2,000 in less than 2 months, that is super insane. And then in fourth place we have Workhorse, and I want to make update videos on Workhorse. My subscribers need an update video on Workhorse, so guys, that is coming soon, so be subscribed. Workhorse, everybody, like I keep seeing this one stock, Workhorse, people make videos, it's gonna go up. Why has Workhorse not gone up? And the other stocks, which are very less talked about in YouTube terms, in popularity, why has Workhorse not done as good as it should? The reason why we're up 10% is because I bought it at a dip at an average price of $15, but it's just trading in a range. Workhorse is trading in a range, but I will be going more into detail on my future video, so stay subscribed. We bought $21,000 of it, so we bought $20,000 and we've only made $1,800 out of it. Unrealized P&L until we sell of plus 9%. And that is where Workhorse. And our biggest loser, as I said, which I am at least glad I'm right, and I almost got the price tag spot on. I'm off by 30 cents, but hey, I'm an analyst. Analysts don't always get it right. I'm just kidding. I'm not a professional. I'm just a commentator, entertainer, doing my best to, you know, share with you guys my opinions, share with you guys my plays, what I like to do. But at the same time, I know I've been gone for a little bit, you know, but like I said, I had a very, very good excuse. My little baby boy, born very healthy. I'm so happy to have him. Honestly, he's priceless. I cannot put a price tag on him. So I wasn't able to pay attention to the stock market. You know, I had very more important things to do once again. But Solo made us lose $3,457 for a loss of 17.35% loss. And over this whole period, we've slowly, here you can see our history of the month. We have slowly lost a little bit of money. Then we were up 6,000. Then we went down. It honestly was these last 2 weeks and the last week that our account has shot up, and that is due to, a lot of it has been due to SHLL, Tesla, and NIO popping off this last week and a half. So if it weren't for them, we'd probably be in the red. If you were literally investing $100,000 in these stocks and these companies and these EVs, you'd probably be nervous the whole time. Overall, this challenge has been amazing. We've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. I've learned to never underestimate a stock just because of my own beliefs, and literally it wasn't even due to technical analysis on NIO. If you've seen my videos on NIO, it was just due to sentiments and my thoughts, but they were valid for a degree, but to the point where we made $10,000, like, okay, I was wrong. I'd rather be wrong and make money. You know, the most important thing in the stock market is to get over your losses, to get over your judgments of, but it has to go down, but it has to go up. Like literally the number one thing about the stock market is let's make some money. So overall, we came out ahead, $35,000. I'm very happy. What would I have done different in this challenge? What would I have done? I would have cut my losses sooner. If I would have seen Solo dip under $3, I would have cut it. So instead of losing 17%, I could have probably lost 7.35. And in the end, you know, we would have saved approximately $2,000. Here, cut it off and probably reinvested that money into another company, most likely Tesla. I would have bought in more, and since Tesla did perform really good at 46%, if we would have been able to buy more instead of being at $9,000 gain, we probably could have, with Solo reinvested in Tesla, we could have been scratching 15,000 in my opinion. But SHLL, wow, I really did not see this coming. SHLL really like came out of nowhere. But I would have just followed my plan. I would have said Tesla. I'm glad Workhorse, I didn't. well, in hindsight, I probably would be investing in Workhorse, but due to my prediction that it would be at $15 in a month, you know, I still came out pretty good. Pretty on top. So yes, let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. What stocks do you personally have? Are you paper trading? Are you actually invested in these? Are you invested in the other EV stocks like Candy, like Landstorm? How would you have handled this? Would you have allocated the money differently? Instead of 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, would you have done like 80,000 on one and 20,000 on another? Obviously the results would be very drastically different. On which one would you bet on the most? Let me know down in the comments. What should I do for the next paper account challenge where I invest $100,000? Let's think of some ideas. And once again, I am ready to be making more videos for you guys. I'm very happy to be back. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be subscribed if you are not, please. The best stock market channel is back. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.